Good morning, students. With our last video, we have started the chapter number 1, that is the fun they had. So, up to part 7, we have done it. So, let us begin with part 7. Yeah, 2-3 lines were left. So, from the beginning only, I am going to start it. So, a man isn't smart enough. They were talking about the book in which the description of the schools we have nowadays is there. Those children are living in future, so they are feeling very surprised about the school they are reading in the book. So a man isn't smart enough means they are comparing a regular teacher, means a human teacher, with a mechanical teacher. So, in that comparison, Margie is saying that a man isn't smart enough. But Tommy replied, sure, a man can be smart enough, because he said, my father knows as much as my teacher. He knows almost as much, means knowledge is equivalent. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. She thought that human teacher in the school was going to come to their houses, but she was not aware that at that time, in ancient times, schools were kind of different. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. And all the kids learned the same thing. So it was a great surprise for Margie that the teacher was not going to come to their houses. Those children used to go to the special building known as school, and they all used to learn the same thing. Then, sure, if they are in the same age. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. So in future the approach is different. Margie's mother thought the teacher has to be adjusted according to the child. Just the same thing. They didn't do it the way then. You don't like it, you don't have to read the book. So Tommy was not in the mood of any argument. Tommy said, if you don't like the book, then no need to read it with me. Then, I didn't say I didn't like it, Margie said quickly, because she wanted to read about that school, that funny school. So she said, I am not saying like that. Then, they were not even half finished when Margie's mother called, Margie, school. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. Now, said Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy too. So, Mrs. Jones interrupted Margie at that time. She called her to go to her school, that was a next room in her house. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Maybe, he said nonchalantly. So carelessly, Tommy said, okay, fine, you can read a book with me after school. He walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Margie went into the schoolroom. So school was a kind of room at that time. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. So mechanical teacher was on, and that teacher was waiting for Margie to come. It was always on at the same time every day except Sunday and Saturday. So schedules for Sunday and Saturday is different. Otherwise, daily the same time she used to study, because her mother believed little girls learn it better if they learned at regular hours. The screen was lit up and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. So the topic has been told to Margie, and the mechanical teacher asked about the yesterday's homework to put in a proper slot so that it could be checked. Margie did so with a sigh. In a very low mood, Margie did that. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather was a little boy. So very old time, she was thinking about that school. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard. Sitting together in the schoolroom, I think you all are also missing that kind of school, because this is a lockdown and schools are closed and you are studying at home. So there is no joy in studying alone, because the environment of school is very refreshing for children. They learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. And the teachers were people, they are not the mechanical ones. She was missing all those things. She was thinking about that. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. When we add fraction 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 4, the topic has been started. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Now the name of the chapter has also come. Margie was thinking about old children or children in ancient times, how much fun they used to have in their old schools. Now we will take up the exercise. There is a small activity for you. Calculate how many years and months ahead from now Margie's diary entry is. You can refer to the book, page number 1. You can get your answer by calculating that time. Now answer these questions in a few words or a couple of sentences each. Very short answer questions these are. How old are Margie and Tommy? You can get the answer in the pages previously we have studied. I think it is 11 and 13. What did Margie write in her diary? You can also write it in a very short answer, because everything is given in the text and now you are in class 9th. I think you can easily find out the answer. It is a kind of comprehension. In exam you have short comprehension. Comprehension chapters are like long comprehension. You can find out the answers by your own. Had Margie ever seen a book before? The answer is no. What things about the book did she find strange? So she found strange. What she found strange? She found, and whenever you are writing the answer, check the tense. In which tense the question has been asked. Here it is asked in the present tense. Answer should be in present. Past. Answer should be in past. Past. Likewise, you are supposed to answer these things. She was surprised to see that words were written still. What do you think a tally book is? It is for you. A tally book you can answer by your own. It is very common answer, because nowadays you are studying these kind of books. Where were Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? So her school was in her house only and she did not have any classmates. What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Geography, history and arithmetic they learned. About the following with reference to the story, very important one, they used to come to in the examination for sure. So what kind of question this is? It is certain sentences given and you are supposed to answer the following question that are based on the sentence. Sentences: I wouldn't throw it away. Who says these words? What does it refer to? So who says these words? Tommy. What does it refers to? Book. What is it being compared with the speaker? So it is compared with the tally books. Now second one, sure they had a teacher but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Who does they refer to? Old students of ancient time. What does regular teacher? It means mechanical teacher. What is it contrasted with? It is contrasted compared with human teacher. Now answer each of these questions in a short paragraph about 30 words. Means 30 words, 3 lines, 3-4 lines. In 3-4 lines you are supposed to answer it. What kind of teacher did Margie and Tommy have? You are supposed to answer mechanical teacher and you are supposed to give a description of mechanical teacher, because you are supposed to complete 30 words. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? You can tell that there was a problem with the geography section. You can tell that in 3-4 lines. What did he do? You can also share that he repaired it and all the things you will tell. So these all questions are like that. You can do it by your own. Now these are the long answer type question. What were the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in their story, in the story. So these questions are to be attempted in 100 to 150 lines. 100 to 150 lines means 10 to 12 lines. Fine. So 10 to 12 lines में आपने आंसर देना है. And in these kind of question, firstly read the question. Whatever the things have been asked, tell the answers stepwise. So firstly they have asked about the features of mechanical teacher. You will give the features and then you will tell about the school room. Then the next one, why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old school must have been fun? So this also you will give the answer like the first one. Firstly this part should be answered and then this part should be answered. So this is all for today. Other exercise in next chapter we will start in our next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.